echoes can't respond. You're weary of the thinking, honey. The neon stains your silent face. You blend into the asphalt, honey. You leave no fragment, no embrace. Don't you trace miles? Don't you trace of rhymes? Felt the dark taste of vampires. Swallow, don't you kiss hands of fire. Past the headlamps, honey, fever glimmers in your stare. You drown inside the baseline, honey, one stolen breath of fractured air. You're tired of empty speaking, honey, the words collapse and fall apart. You gaze across the fault line, honey, and feel the tremor in your heart. Don't you trace the lines? Can you trace the fiber eyes? Still don't you trace the lines? Still do you trace the federal? Don't you trace the lines? Can you trace the fiber eyes? Still don't you trace the lines? Still do you trace the static roots refuse to change. One brief pulse of fractured spark, a blink divine exchange. Don't you trace